Across the globe, people are being liberated in the creative arts. With a program called Blender, people have been staying indoors creating 3D worlds now for a decade. We follow one man, a maverick creator. His name is David, and he wishes to risk it all to become a professional creative.
Hello, I'm David. I like to make things in 3D. I've been doing it now for about 6 months.
David quit his job as a digger driver about 6 months ago. Ever since, he's been learning Blender. In this investigation, we'll pose as potential customers. We will see if this boy is up to snuff.
What? I can do that for you.
Can this little gobshite actually 3D? Let's find out.
Well folks, here we are diving into the world of 3D modelling with Blender. And let me tell you, it's been a wild ride already. I was all geared up to start building this awesome mecha robot from Full Metal Panic, but guess what? No models or references available. Can you believe it? So I had no choice but to roll up my sleeves and make my own. I wanted to start with the feet, but the references were all over the place. Talk about overwhelming, but hey, after a few bevel modifiers and some creative improvisation, I'm getting into the groove. This won't be your ordinary run-of-the-mill model, that's for sure, because I'm totally freeballing due to the reference issues.
But David, little did he know we threw him into the deep end with this one. Let's see how he handles this Pandora's box of a project.
I managed to find better references, thank God. I made some progress on the groin area, but let me tell you, these shapes are anything but simple. I've barely done anything and I'm already up to like 150,000 vertices. Something's not right, and I could really use a coffee right about now.
Look at him, struggling to find motivation. So much to do, and he's only on day 2, and hasn't even finished the league yet. Maybe I should be looking for a proper job like a good little leprechaun. He can't shock our brick if he thinks he can pull him off his weak-arse time-lapse videos. Let's tighten up the pressure on Dice Laddie.
It's so easy to lose track of time tweaking and cleaning up. But hey, as they say, nothing worth having in life is easy. I finally got the leg done though. Time-lapsing is pointless, they say. They even threatened my cat's life if I didn't hurry up, so I better pick up the pace.
We know it's really going to harm his cat. I just mentioned the cat food he needs to buy. But hey, finally, he's on the foot. And he's even able to duplicate a similar item. Sweet bejeebers, time saved at last.
After spending another hour correcting origins, I finally managed to duplicate the leg. That's a big win in terms of progress. Using bevels and auto smooth, I'm realising that not everything needs subsurface modifiers, so I'm getting render times of just 6 seconds per frame with around 120 verts. I've even made a short animation to celebrate. It did pretty rubbish. After finally finishing the feet, I've learnt to let imperfections go. It's just not worth the time. I need some sleep. Modelling can be so dull at times.
Day 4. Can you believe it? In full swing, this elusive panda has managed to complete 2 whole legs. And let me tell you, they're looking pretty darn good.
Each shape is taking about an hour to get right. Can you guess who it is yet? Leave a comment below. So, I think we're on day 8 now. I've done it. I've finally done it, oh my god. As the longest model, well, the first model I ever did was a car and it took me 30 days to make it, but it was the first time I'd ever done anything in 3D, so like, it was an exception. I've clearly got faster, but 8 days, man. So, here is the final product. Oh my god, this took ages. I did rig and animate it, but it literally took me about 30 minutes to do. I didn't even think about time-lapsing it or like filming it or logging it because it was so quick. But basically I rigged it, and it was very simple to rig because it's a hard surface model. Nothing needs like bending or like, you know what I mean? Nothing needs manipulating, so I could just parent straight to the parent. Job's a good one. The rig is complete. Now I could make an animation, but I've spent 8 days on this. I need to find a job now, so we're gonna have to leave it there, aren't we?
I think he did very well, dear. Don't you?
As you may have seen from the beginning of the video, I'm a digger driver. I need to go back to work now, so I've had a 6 months break and I've learned how to 3D basically. Now, I've no clue how I'm going to get a job in this trade. I probably never will because I'm not a university graduate, I've got no credentials kind of thing. I'm a grade A digger driver at the end of the day. I can make money that way. So the plan is go back to work, earn some money and self-fund and make more, don't know, just make more content basically, just produce. I'm a content creator, aren't I? So if you would like to help and support me in this, please subscribe and press the like button. The like button helps a lot kind of thing. Spread the word. But otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.